Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, Thursday, March 13, 2025. Just a very, very short talk about volcanoes, predicting volcanic eruptions, which is not an exact science. I'm going to give you several examples. So when we start seeing indications of volcanic unrest, heat detections, seismic swarms, inflation, deflation, outgassing, etc. We don't know how long it's going to be. I'm going to give you several examples. Mount Edgecumbe, Edgecumbe in Alaska. In February 2023, there was an alert issued for the possibility of an eruption. An alert was issued for the nearby town at the base of the volcano. Nothing happened. In April 2023, the Colombian volcano Nevado del Ruiz had an earthquake swarm of 8,800 earthquakes. Someone issued an extreme warning. They were adamant there was going to be a major volcanic eruption. Nothing happened. The La Palma eruption in the Canary Islands. I was watching that and documenting for 31 days the heat detections on that island. Then it erupted. On the other hand, Honga Tonga, Honga Haipai, HAAPAI in the Pacific. I was documenting heat detections on that one for 1 year. Then it exploded on January 15 of 2022, was it? So we don't know. There was an extensive swarm in Santorini recently. It's been slowly easing off. I'm not saying it's not going to erupt, but we cannot say it's going to erupt very, very soon. We don't know. Campi Flegrei, on the other hand. Now I'm going to introduce the subject of the intersection passing of the binary system or the Planet X system on the timeline that someone proposes every 3,600 years. One person says it's 3,657 years. I just average it out to 3,650 years. So our orbitable plane is this way. The binary system comes in from the bottom behind the sun every 3,600 years, approximately. So when this happens, we can expect catastrophic Earth change events, climate events, climate shifts, massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions. It is very simple to do. Go to Google and keep on adding 3,600 years or 3,650. Take the average. And just put in major volcanic eruptions. 3,625 years ago was Santorini, major volcanic eruption. We add on another 3,600 years, or approximately 3,650 years. Kikei caldera, southern Japan. Massive, huge volcanic eruption. Approximately 400 cubic kilometers of material was ejected. Much, much more than Krakatoa or Tambor. So we add on another 3,600 years. That was the Younger Dryas event. We add on another 36. Actually, I'm trying to keep this into a separate video, but my point is every 3,600 years, almost every case, was a major volcanic eruption. Can't be flagrate. So if you want to add on 8 cycles of the system coming in, can't be flagrate exploded 29,000 years ago. It blanketed the entire Mediterranean area. 55,000 square miles over the Mediterranean of volcanic debris. Oh, that wasn't the last time. Add on a couple of more cycles, or 11 cycles of the planetary crossing. This is almost exact, people. Campi Flegrei exploded again 39,950 years ago. Tapao volcano, New Zealand, 25,500 years ago. You can keep on adding 3,650 years. And then ask, what were the major catastrophic events, volcanic eruptions and or major climate changes? One of those events, I believe it was the 14,400 years ago, the sun exploded in a major solar flare, in order of magnitude of the tens more powerful than the Carrington event. So something got close to the sun and caused a massive, massive explosion in order of magnitude measured in the tens more powerful than the Carrington event. So here we are again, approaching that 3,600 year timeline, or I don't think it's exactly 3,657 years. So I just take the average 3,650. So are we not now due for another major event, given all the signs? Santorini swarms, Campi Flegrei, and so on. So this is why I don't listen to all these other YouTubers. They also haven't done their homework. Yes, caution should be exercised, especially for Campi Flegrei. It could happen when I finish this video. It can happen 5 years from now. Anywhere else in the world, for that matter. That's it for now. Boom.